What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I have a very short update video for you guys today where we're going to talk a little bit about the Slimepack _ 392 Dodge Charger. We are winning that car yet again. This is auction number 8, I believe. Now, what the basic issue is here for you guys that keep asking is this isn't a Copart issue. This is literally a insurance company not providing the title yet issue. And as soon as it is provided, it gives us the bill. They'll take it from a future status and make it a live status. But in that meantime, just in case, you know, like an auction or something popped off a day or something, I'm not paying attention. It's why I keep going ahead and pre-bidding on the car. So it's not like I've been seeing the comments like, yo, it's a conspiracy. Yo, man, get off your tinfoil Alex Jones hat and just fall back. All right, just wait. It's coming. It's definitely 100% coming. We just have to do, you know, we just have to wait, man. We just have to go through the process and wait. And that's what we're doing, man. We're chilling. I'm sipping on my Starbucks. And, you know, we're going to continue to bid whenever it presents itself. So we're just, like I said, we're literally just waiting on that to go as a live auction. But until it does, like, we're going to continue to pre-bid on it. You guys can see it. And I'll drop those pre-bids on it consistently. I'll even drop a little link or something in here, maybe a screenshot or something in here as well, so you guys can see it, so you can understand that it is something that we are consistently bidding on. It is something that we will eventually win, and it will be something that you guys get to see as a rebuild on the channel. We're still working on the BMW. You guys saw that the Jaguar sold. I have a major update on the GTO coming for you guys soon, and lots more coming on the channel here in the next week or so. So stay tuned. I'm also traveling all over the state of Texas in the BMW 740 M Sport, aka the James Bond joint. So stay tuned for that as well. You guys will see some coverage and some videos from that. And you guys might actually see the M Sport smashing on some Mopars. I know y'all gonna be like, TK, don't do it. It's already done, man. Anywho's, man, major shout out to all you guys that have been consistently hitting the thumbs up button and supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate it. And more content coming soon. Stay tuned.